Use PayPal without providing your SSN.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to be discussing a topic that comes up often: how to use PayPal without providing your Social Security number, SSN. Privacy is a significant concern in today's digital age, and not everyone is comfortable sharing sensitive personal information.
Is it mandatory to provide SSN for PayPal?
First things first, let's clear a common misconception. Is it mandatory to provide your SSN to use PayPal? The answer is no. You can open a PayPal account without providing your SSN. However, PayPal uses SSN to verify your identity. If you don't provide your SSN, there might be some limitations on your account.
What are the limitations?
Now, you might be wondering, what are these limitations? If you don't provide your SSN, you might not be able to send or receive high volumes of money. Also, you might not be able to open a PayPal business account or PayPal credit.
How to use PayPal without providing SSN?
Moving on, let's discuss the main topic: how to use PayPal without providing your SSN. It's pretty simple. First, go to the PayPal website or app. Click on the Sign Up button. Choose Personal Account and click Next. Fill in your legal name, email address, and create a strong password. Provide your address, phone number, and date of birth. Remember, it is crucial to provide accurate information. After you've filled in all the necessary details, click Agree and create account. By following these steps, you can create and use a PayPal account without providing your SSN. However, remember the limitations we discussed earlier. And that's it. We've discussed how to use PayPal without providing your SSN. Remember, while it's entirely possible to use PayPal without giving them your SSN, the limitations placed on your account might restrict your activities significantly. Nonetheless, it's a great way to get started with PayPal while maintaining your privacy. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any further queries, feel free to ask in the comments section. See you in the next video.